How to replace a battery on a Honda key fob. First thing you need to do is undo the screw here. So get a small screwdriver. Once it's out, just pry it apart. Then you want to release this section here. There you go. You want to remove this cluster here from the fob. Let's get a little screwdriver, help lift you out. There you go. And there's a corner here. Right here, just put a screwdriver in here and just prise it apart. Just twist. And that exposes the battery. Take the battery out. And it's a CR1616, so get a new one. Stick it back in. And just the screw back in, and you're done.